I bet you didn't know flooding rain can suffocate your plant roots. But don't worry, there's an easy way to save your garden. All that extra rain can turn your garden beds into a soggy mess, starving your plants of oxygen. Here's what you do. Grab a hoe or shovel and shape the soil into raised rows or little mounds, especially around the root zone. This lifts your plant's crowns above the wet ground, letting water drain away and roots breathe easy. Want to boost this hack? Add a 2 to 3 inch layer of mulch. Think straw or bark chips. This stops the rain from packing your soil down tight and helps slow runoff. Just remember, keep the mulch a little bit away from the plant stems so they don't rot. So next time Mother Nature pours it on, you'll be ready to keep those roots happy and healthy.